Alright, so on to question number 2. Part A says, predict what will happen if you type the formula equals A1 star C1 into C2 of your spreadsheet. Okay, you're probably asking yourself, what's C2? Okay, so we read these column first, row second. Okay, so in your spreadsheet, you should have all of this written in that first line. Notice I do not, because I will not be giving you the answers. You can get them yourself. However, C2 is column C, row 2. So we'd be putting it into this box right here. You should have 4 answers up here from question 1. Don't delete anything, just keep working. So you're going to put that in here. But before you put it in, I want you to predict. What do you think that means? What do you think a star means? Also, if you cannot find the star in your keyboard, you push Shift 8, that will give you a star. Shift 8. I want you to make a prediction. And then in B, I want you to go ahead and actually type that into cell C2. That's column C, row 2. You're going to type this right here in. And then you push enter to check your prediction. Make sure you're writing me a full sentence here. It's not too difficult.